This video demonstrates how to use EdbMails free trial version. EdbMails offers free trial version of the software to test its functionality. With the free trial you can recover, export offline EDB to PST, migrate EDB to Office 365 and EDB to Live Exchange server. Perform Live Exchange and Office 365 tenant-to-tenant migration and backup. Migrate and backup emails from IMAP-enabled servers such as Gmail, Zimbra, Zoho, cPanel, etc. Perform SharePoint, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams site migration and backup. Perform OST recovery and migration, Outlook PST recovery and migration, NSF export and migration, Mbox export and migration, EML export.
Browse edbmails.com on your browser. Click the download menu.
Click Download EdbMails.
After the download completion, click the EdbMails setup file and proceed with the installation. Now click the Start Your Free Trial button. Select one of the products to proceed. Let's select the EDB Recovery and Migration. Select EDB to PST. You can keep the default job name or click New Job to change it. Click Next to continue. Click Browse for EDB file. Select the EDB file. Click Open. Click Browse. Select the location to store the exported data. Then click OK. Click Next to continue. Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Select the mailboxes folders that you wish to export. For EDB to PST export, ensure Outlook installed on your computer with a profile. Click Next to continue. Click Start Export. With free trial, you can export 30 items in each folder. EDB to PST export is in progress. After export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the export operation report. Now launch Outlook application and open the PST file. Verify the exported items.
Start your free trial today.